Okay, so my air vent is on and I hope you guys can hear me fine. If not, I probably would just do a voiceover. But it is the Gifty Frontal. I had this on using my water wave. Now this is gonna be a second, like, how do you keep using the same hair to create more looks? So this is my HD Frontal water wave from gifty.org. I've already put the glue on my hair, so now I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna do a cute, quick frontal ponytail. I just want a look that I can just wear fast, quickly, and then come home, take it off. Don't want to keep nothing on my head. If you plan to keep this on your head for a longer time, we might have to do another tutorial because I don't know. All right, so I put the glue on already, and now I'm gonna put my lace down. I start in the middle by stretching it and letting that sit, the middle first. Now I'm gonna work my way to each side. Holiday get ready with me, so I'm putting on my press-ons nails. Don't worry, I'm gonna look all together once done. So easy, just like that. My frontal is back on. I started in the middle, I stretch it to get both sides. This is how it looks. Now we're gonna melt this in and slay this install. I'm going to mold the hair together in a ponytail using a ponytail holder, just using my hand, smoothing it back together and creating a low ponytail bun. I'm going to move to the front of the hair now, just pressing in my rat tail comb into the lace, combing the roots of the frontal to make it more relaxed. And now I'm going to start working on the front, making sure that everything is laid properly. The first layer of laying down is done, I go to the front of the frontal and I pull it up and go under those little tiny flaps that are still lifted. So I'm going through the entire front, peeking it up to see right there that little flap has not blended in well. So I'm going to take a little bit of glue and press the front down using the rat tail comb. Both sides, I use the rat tail side and the back side as well. So once I'm all done with pressing that in, I'm going to use, can you guess what I'm going to use next? Can you guess what it is? I think you can guess. Okay, the Gifty Lace Melting Band. Yes, this band is available, linked in the description box. You need this. I use it in every single video. This is what is going to help your hair lay properly, melt in, and give you that flawless look that you have always wanted. So now, while we wait, I'm going to do my nails. Y'all, I am a nail addict. Like, I love nails, and with doing hair, my nails grow out so fast because I play in water. Yeah, I can't do this anymore, so I decided to cut down on getting my nails done, and when I'm going out or occasions, I do press-ons. So I'm doing my press-ons right now while letting the lace melt down for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Here is how the press-ons turned out. They looked really cute. I needed them mostly for aesthetic, to take the pictures and, hanging out with my family for Christmas. Now I am going to remove the Gifty Lace Melting Band. The band always does the job. The hair now is melted in and it looks flawless. My lace and my skin looks the same. The back of my head, don't worry too much about that because the texture I'm going to be using is going to blend in perfectly. So now I'm just going over doing some finishing touches, fixing up the sides, making sure that it fits my head. Now I'm gonna flatten my braids out a little bit more so I don't have like a bump there. I'm going through and doing that. I'm taking out my braids. I'm taking out my braids in positions that are uncomfortable. And now I'm going to use mousse. I use the Cream of Nature mousse, and I'm going to melt and mold down my frontal part to create the frontal ponytail now. So I use the mousse, and then I use the Wonder spray, the Wonder Bond holding spray, and I sprayed on top just to mold the frontal part of the hair. Now I'm going to use the Water Wave bundles from gifty.org. I used these bundles in my previous video from my frontal sew-in. Now I'm doing a frontal ponytail with the same set of hair, the frontal and the bundles. I'm going to just simply wrap these tracks around the bun. I'm not gluing, I am not sewing or doing nothing. This is like beginner friendly, easy. You can do yourself. This is a really cute, easy style that you can do using gifty.org water wave bundles and the lace frontal. I have 3 bundles of the water wave in 28 inches and the HD frontal water wave in 16 inches. So I am wrapping the bundles around and around and around the little knot bun in the back that I made with my natural hair in the frontal. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm just simply wrapping around and around. Okay, y'all. Let's detangle this. With this water wave texture, you have to take care of it. With human hair, you have to take care of it. So when detangling, take your time, apply the water using a spray bottle, and then rake out the hair. Don't just like slice your fingers through it. Remove the hair slowly. Take it apart from each other slowly and take your time. Once you apply the water, you're going to go in with the mousse. The same mousse I used, the Cream of Nature mousse. Amazing. I'm going to put that all over the hair, making sure everything is great. Then I'm going to take a piece out of the ponytail part of the hair and wrap it around and around to make sure it covers any tracks or anything that might be showing. Now, the secret to really getting everything flat is the Gifty bonnet. This is a really unique way for you to wrap your Gifty bonnet. You're able to take the ropes, tie it as a headscarf. We're just going to apply pressure to your style and just flatten the top down. Use both. Unravel the scarf part and then wrap it around, just like how I'm doing right now. Once you do that, you basically have a scarf and a bonnet in one. You have a full headscarf. Right there, you're able to protect your edges. Make sure your hairstyle is flat. Like, this is lit. Make sure your hairstyle is flat. And then you're able to just pick it up and make it into a bonnet. Boom. You have a 2-in-1 product from gifty.org. All right, y'all. So I went and I got ready. I look good. Your girl is looking spicy. But yeah, I got ready and now I'm going to remove the scarf bonnet from gifty.org. This is our Gifty satin bonnets. You can also use it as a scarf and a bonnet. So I'm just removing it right now. And this helped lay everything together. It gave me like a really sleek look to my hair. And this is basically the finished look, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this easy lace frontal ponytail look from gifty.org. Please do like this video. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and I'll see you next time. Bye.